Hi, my name is Mike Dong, and this is my term project for 15112. It's a web app called Wardrobe. What we can do with this web app is that you can save your favorite fashion items, you can track the price of the items after you have saved them, and you can socialize with your friends. So let's just get started by registering as a new user here. After you have filled in the forms, and you will be signed up, and an email with the activation code will be sent to your email box. By clicking the link in it, you will be activated. Now that we're activated, we can go to our homepage right now. It looks a little bit blank because we don't have any friends or items saved. But first, let's actually gonna upload our favorite image and set it as our profile picture. So let's get some items right now. It's very easy to get the item from the internet. All you need to do is to copy the URL link of your item and then paste it in this form right here and then hit the button. The app will do the work for you by getting the information on that page, and you can, after you have got the item, you can save it in your wardrobe, show it to a friend, or recommend it to a friend. Since we don't have any friend right now, we're just gonna save it to our wardrobe. Now we're gonna add another item to our wardrobe by doing the same thing. That is to copy the URL link and paste it right here and then hit the button. Easy as that. After we have gotten that item, we're gonna save it to our wardrobe as well. Okay, now we save the item. If you have typed in a URL that is not supported because it is not in the list of supporting website, you can submit a request to the email right here for the programmer to write scripting code for the website, but now we're not going to worry about that. Now that we have items saved in our wardrobe, we can see the detail. There's this slide of photos of the item. We got the title, we got the brand, we got the price. After a while, if you want to see if there is any price drop of the item, you can simply click this button here under the price and it will recheck the price of that item. Since we have just saved it, there's obviously no price drop. Other features in this item page is that you can delete it if you want. We've got this upvote and downvote status here. The item is not shown to anyone right now. We're actually going to show it to our friends. And we're going to add some friends right now. By typing their username, I'm going to send a request to this user. And I'm going to send a request to this user as well. And now, let's actually log in as this user. Now we can see that in our friend nav bar here, there's this notification page. And if you want to get rid of it, you can just mark the request as read. We can accept the request. And we're going to do the same thing as the other user. By accepting that request. If you have any mutual friend, it will show up here as well. Now that we have added that friend, it will show up in our friends list. He has 2 friends and he has saved 2 items. And we can unfriend him if we want. So now that we have added some friends, we can actually recommend some items for our friend by doing the same thing that we did. That is to paste the URL. But this time, instead of saving it to our own wardrobe, we're actually going to recommend it to our friend. So we've got this friend list here, and I'm going to click on that user. So now that user has been recommended an item, it will show up in his homepage right here. It will be marked in blue, so it's more obvious. The user can save it to his own wardrobe. Another feature other than recommendation of friends is that you can actually view the items that your friends decided to show up to you and you can vote for them. So if you feel like this item is very good or you think that the item suits your friend very well, you can click the upvote button and you will upvote the item. And your profile picture will be shown in blue circle. If you have downvoted, which is the other user have done here, they will be showed up in a red circle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do some modification of the code so that it will actually detect a price drop. By clicking this recheck price button. So what this button do is that it will go through every single one of the items in your wardrobe, so you don't have to actually click into every single one of them to check. It will just do all the job at once, and it takes a little bit longer because it's going through every single one. But it should detect a price drop right now that I have modified the code. So now you can see that it's marked in blue because it detects a price drop right now. It's now $19. So I think it's perfect time to get it from the official website. Another thing to mention about it is that this app is also modified for phone use. So if you view it on your phone, it will be look like that. The sidebar will be hidden and it's phone friendly. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see